Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Pisces at ang bago po nating viewers. Ito po yung para sa November 8, 2023 na daily reading natin. Tingnan natin kung ano yung ating mababasa na message para sa iyo, Pisces. We have the Ace of Swords, the Knight of Cups, and the King of Wands. Bottom niya is the Magician. Okay, Pisces. There is this parang truth, no? Isang katotohanan. Isang pag-uumpisa para malaman ang katotohanan. I think you're looking for answers, no? Naghahanap ka ng sagot sa mga tanong mo. Most likely about love kasi andito yung Knight of Cups. Somebody na mag-o-offer ng love sa'yo. Kung dadating ba siya, may mag-o-offer ba ng love sa'yo na in a way sabihin natin na iniintay mo na dumating sa buhay mo. Siyempre, pagdating naman sa pag-ibig, lahat tayo ay nangangarap na magkaroon o mahanap yung isang tao na yon na talagang tunay na nagmamahal sa atin. Kaya yun yung inaasam mo na sana sa bagong pag-uumpisa na ito ay mabigyan ng kasagutan yung tanong na yan, na kung darating ba yung pag-ibig na yon sa akin. Okay? No? Kung may mag-o-offer ba talaga ng tunay na pag-ibig sa akin. At yung pag-ibig na to ay nanggagaling sa isang tao na alam natin na yung qualities na hinahanap natin, which is, somebody na talagang attractive, may tsura, at siya ay isang tao na masarap kasama, masayahin, very siya, confident, no? Confident siya sa kanyang sarili, paano niya dali na kanyang sarili, at determinado. Hindi lang yung kundi pati very creative, no? Dahil meron tayong creative side sa atin, Pisces. So it would be nice to find that person, your person, na may pareho kayo, no? There's something in common in you that you both like. Maybe something to do with the arts, with music, with dancing, or something with sculpture or cooking, anything that would expresses yung creative part mo or creative knowledge mo. Ganun din siya, no? Your person. Now, please don't mind the gender kasi this is the King of Wands. Ang gender po kasi hindi importante pagdating sa tarot. So, babae, lalaki, it doesn't matter. But what we are reading is the energy. Okay? So, kung ito yung enerhiya na meron yung tao na to, so ito yung titignan mo. You want somebody na talagang that level, no? Yung matured na. Kasi, kung gaba yung level niya is already a king. So, mataas na siya. Kung gaba, hindi ito yung bata na medyo immature, but somebody na talagang you can have a good conversation, no? Somebody na talagang you're both on the same page pagdating sa mga likes and dislikes, and even when it comes to knowledge, no? Pagdating sa inyong kaalaman, sa intelligence, sa experiences in life in general. So this is somebody na talagang you really sort of dreaming. This is the King of Wands is a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. So not necessarily meron siya o siya meron siya nito sa kanya, not necessarily na fire sign siya, but it could be na meron din siyang fire sign sa kanyang chart. But this is just to give you the representation of yung qualities nga ng isang fire sign o isang King of Wands. Okay? So you are really looking forward in finding out sa future kung talagang dadating itong love na to sa buhay mo. Somebody that you have dreamt about kung in terms of yung qualities nitong person na to. And because you've been manifesting, no, with the Magician, this is energy coming from a Gemini or a Virgo. Pinagdasal mo talaga siya to. Iniisip mo, you've been wishing for this, you have asked God na ipagkaloob to sa'yo, that this person, kaya most likely this is to occur or it would happen kasi inano mo to kung gaba sinabi mo to directly to God, hiningi mo to, and you've been holding on tightly to this manifestation. Talagang pinangahawakan mo siya na ito yung gusto ko po. Kahit nasabihin natin na with the moon, this is your energy, Pisces, na hindi ka sure. No, you're not sure that this will be granted. No, kasi nga, syempre we believe that God has planned for us, and hindi naman natin pwedeng sabihin na ang gusto ko maging kapartner in life sabihin natin kunyari artista. Yung artista na, but which is impossible, no? Hindi naman pwede talaga yon. Yung ratio to kung ba to happen is like 1 to 1,000 kunyari, no? So but the thing is, kahit nasabihin natin na hindi ka sure that this prayer or this manifestation will be granted, no, but you have this belief, that's meron kang paniniwala, kaya na talagang ibibigay ito o pagkakaloob to sa'yo. Kaya alam mo, eventually, you will be successful. It will be granted, no, with the Six of Wands. You will be successful. Makukuha mo ito. Okay? It's just really a matter of time kung kailan ito pagkakaloob. And that's, I guess, yung tinuturo sa atin na just be patient and believe in God's perfect timing. Yun yung kasi ang palaging nating dapat isipin na dadating siya sa oras na the best for us, na ma-meet natin yung person na ito, na ma-meet yung mag-o-offer ng love na ito sa atin. Okay? So, ang ano dito is not to lose hope. Not to lose hope at all, but always stay positive that one day God will send you that person. Ang sabi ko nga palagi is maybe because either you or the person is not yet ready, kaya hindi pa kayo nag-meet. But eventually, time will come that it will happen. Kasi ito yun you really been looking forward, asking questions clearly para alamin nga kung may dadating ba talagang pag-ibig sa akin. Okay? So, that is a reading for the 8th of November. I hope na it gave you something to look forward to, Pisces. Okay? So, maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.